1, maybe in the next 2-3 years, in him say, oh, we're there on the list,
okay,
from 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Now we are ready to do the surgery for them because when you do baby, the surgery would actually benefit them.
Wow.
So it's not necessarily for babies alone. And I say, we are making sure that we have a list of people that we can also serve somewhere in the future.
Okay, I see. And to don't have my details. Now he found that being
Sompa106.5Fm
Accra. Screening New Crystal Hospital. As I said earlier, it's a collaboration between the Helper Medical Missions and the New Crystal Hospital.
Okay.
New Crystal Hospital, no more branches, baby.
Okay.
And lots of branches.
I see.
This
so we have all the branches are now.
Ashama head office. Medical mall. There were opposite Kufo station. And only a friend medical mall.
Medical mall.
Ashama. And we do Ashama. Now Ashama no Crystal Hospital na emi no.
I see.
Baku main station.
Okay.
And Baku Kufo station.
To where Kufo station there no.
To do kwa say oh come medical mall.
Okay.
Ubia Betrel.
Okay.
And we are doing the screening from 4th May to 8th May.
Okay.
The reason for screening and say wow baby we are taking your x-rays. We are taking your names, your numbers, your x-rays. And then we are sending them over to surgeons now
okay.
Because
no more say okay.
Because patients be different. Ebia now nipa too work club foot, but money the same.
Conditions.
Yes. Surgery screening no. Emma omu say okay. Ama ye A, akosia ye B, and omo parke niama na. When you are chosen for the surgery, omo parke ama niama nku, omo parke akosia niama nku, omo parke kwabna niama nku. And then ye omo ba no mo peja niama na we yama. Na e dia koye o surgery na ma. We ye kwesi na e dia koye dia ma.
Uni so bodie mu ene on Sompa delight. You celebrate service excellence. So I mean it's just right that we put you on this day. You celebrate service excellence.
Somebody like somebody like I didn't see a woman. Somebody like somebody like.
I say any gin come on. And what kind of no? And about Adisia Womo show. Now we walk as one confident in our crying bro. We are brother to Diana. There be a clock to a binnet man, young girl behind, but only a banana voice in the same. I am not too young to say Annabe. Conwa to young to say exactly. But Aquadano on the two, you know. Was I ye bakubi pa man? I'm a Sompa Nkasa on. Okay. And you them a Fante Brunia. You better launch it. Mammy. Yeah.
Somebody like somebody like. I just see a woman. Somebody like somebody like.
And shout text them so now Radina coupon and fast
sedie enhye waflum awurade ma wo mama sonya ding ensene watamfo awurade nyankopɔn tutu anamon ensie awurade ma wachi tampem awurade nyankopɔn jeje utata fanko tu babi onu awurade asafo yehowa onu ahye so de uko shall come to a bravo so yase boni nkan no how men to madai opim beto benkum opidu beto nifa edi nkan wote wo de wani wa na be hwe no wo de bonya fa katua awurade ani muti enton so awurade hira enton so awurade abaso bo anye wabotre awurade nya wo chem awurade nya wo katabo awurade nya wo tipejafo awurade nya wo temgyinafo awurade nya wo rachechefo pa na de bia wo hire awurade mfantomo osumi wemu awurade ma onsere wate awurade ma wadansidie awurade ma nipa hunu so no na aboa wo acheche wo re o Kristo Yesu dimo ani abompae.
Oh, in your marriage everything is possible. In your business everything is possible. In your education everything is possible. DJ Rich Besma is when did you learn every for me did so be a whole year me did say and pay I mean I do would day ye and I have another Abnamida oh me producers are no so that I am me producers the Kwabna Jerry.
Yes, madam. International.
Anything you may say for you now, Kwaba. Ever Sompa. Delight so. Ajay. Spells lady in this way, Remo.
Black and white.
Oh, I saw. Me pacho wumpom to say bibia your boko. Me did say bibia your boko. Yeah, my fingerphobia. I'm not for do the do way. Mafino, we should do the do, Mamma. It's been a while.
Hi, baby.
Yes, Papa. It's Yama Obia Papa, ever some delight. So I chat here for you now. If I had Chama Busia for you now, because when they are near some panel, in see, I get your panel, moving your dear. Any Tuesday. Spirits near high. Chai! Kaish! Yaba to be very fine. Sanope was sorry and I want to ask them that Kawakuma to him. Erade. Only with her mother. Mishana told me, but I'm a kind, I don't know. They say ring round. Now who say Rade? Only with her mother. On your way, JJ Mu. Nani ku owo botai binti ode wudi asasi so omo wani mu wase omo atamfo fa wonye hana ma wonse gidi ma wo gidi ani nsipi de hu se onu erade a waduma boa wo no ode wo ba kodu awie ye pa ai yesi ensuma erade mmoka wo yampa yensum ne mmoka enu nti no fa ore nyina hye ne mu na gidi se ne awo ye bia ebe ye ne awo I school na wo kɔ no ebe si wo ye ensosho na wo kɔ tro no wo be pass che se gidi na nye ho ma o debi amasema meka ne se wo benya daage adwene bone na ene e fa sa daage na dwene papa because wo dwene a ebebem ya dwene na ye fertile like that enti ye mama kwaba. You know, it is some till 8 o'clock. Hey, Odi!
International prophetess. Yes, madam.
Then I come, we have a go.
Nyamiadum. We will say, you can't complain because, say, Teshrama double dream. Namoja, Koba, Fusanwe, Moa. Not just a papa, na, what do ye? I do. And the divine selection I can. And any pain and say, into you to me complaining in Asiana. They're the best complaining. They're the better than us. Into
Dina Bayadini. Yeah, catcher, they say, Radi money, yo.
Money.
Antiadwe. and come here to Numbio. And I know you're theater.
Tournament is no.
What I told you so.
I told you so. Same movie.
Okay. As Auntie Adwe bi over na, and I adwa mama. We fit kakra.
Anyway. Auntie Adwa.
Anya no cry be
sure. Auntie Adwa.
Svelte lady. Madam chat is saying.
Na me adum na so.
Adum. And I said black and white be now there. You know, a touch of white. Yeah, there. Na gold be now baby. Hey, sister.
Na sure asmade no cry.
And I know na me sure. No, man, na say am say touch of white. Yeah. Baby I boko.
I want to see a black.
O ko remember body here dey.
Abasa.
Oh, yeah there are there. So me cha auntie akosi ago awaju madam communication. Aye. E na me cha MD. Aye, me cha MD. MD e cha wo, say be I fine. Enti yaba. Enra word na dey. Onkai me.
Waterloo.
So
we there.
Miss Entem.
We there.
Intentem.
Airfood.
If I walk as a boko, don't I be kai dia obi kai. Say a boko center for o.
Me what be
asem no ya na me nto o masi.
What you must say?
Sister, sa asem no kofo kana me nka hwe but me ware ya me yire ewo ye. Ana me ti so bi kam masa jajare oka no.
Because ba ko kra ne ye husu.
Jade oka no. Me say me gina ho.
Feeding garden.
Nti me be ka say boko say
the thing is that don't even situate boko to a war. Like men can say be a boko sa wompo e no kra na na wako kase ntafo awo. Why na catch almost a war boko.
Mrs. Ami pregnant women me advocate. I'm ambassador pa.
Boko, akrani toha na refi bibia.
That doesn't make it easy.
Boko. Umpo.
Easy akwa say. Nipa na. Nipa kuna ye fight ya mom. O say o boko. Ono wa say boko. Say aboni na to.
Even the Obenya the smoothest award experience na krapo no. Yebeka se obi wo ho no ma bia obi timi ka se oh awo ka me do hospital where am wo here and I said but there's a bit of obi ani ho no ma obewo a onfa awo pain whether contractions ehun those kind of nyoma no na so Auntie Abracado, I'm make us too much because you are mom, and I expect you to defend I expect you to defend the gender.
Now, so make I want as you, Monsieur Jamwa, on
the more Bianca has 70 views. Sa proverb na say no people should.
Santa people
should stop saying that thing.
No, man, come Santi, I cook kind of auntie.
No. And almost can be the ajo manike, but there's no iota of truth in that thing.
That's true. Even if it's yes. Yeah, mom, we anesthesia and one.
Sister.
No.
Sister.
Try your child no pain. Eradi Shrama.
Maybe me gina hope.
Eradi Shrama. Say you could Mother's Day and say Eradi Shrama. Na on Shram memma na omuyiri omu shem man.
Oh. Can
It is with you.
It dey favor myself.
I on Shram omu ayo omu neglect omu shake omu responsibility ni enkoyi. Intino we obema na say oyire ohu hwe oba woni na wo a nyame nhira o
amen
omo adwuma nkoso
amen
na onyi aboafo so mawo
amen
usa ya memo munta nka omasem bia na omo
se woni prepare so for abroad
ya frana o wa ye di but no enye intino erade mu omo no mu amema
woni say
papa no
anopeti Sompa Rhapsody
anopena me number baby
but You see, you have that prophetic. In fact, you talked about and from Monday in Ra, talked about a mema, the pain men go through.
Oh wow!
Professor, Reverend Professor Joseph Osafodu. It was something that was discussed, and then so partly of the time was discussed for that. Yes, it was powerful. It's prophetic. This prophetic revelation. Yes.
Church of Pentecost.
Church of Pentecost.
Anyway, anyway, in Pomboko, we be a fine.
Me adum.
Yenya atna se ne de na wo say Yakob Caps corner. So na musa say no word na ye den. Inti Waterloo, anti adwa na Waterloo na ye den cheche yemu.
Say you can say na the opposite of watershed.
Okay.
Inti bia say you can say watershed na a turning point positively no. Na Waterloo so ye a negative one. A point in one's life it be a will encounter setback. It could be business, it could be anything, marriage, ejuma, whatever.
Like a major occurrence.
Yes, be out to say a brewa sikakra. It will be one. I mean that's a Waterloo period.
Osh. All right. Let me introduce today's word. Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Bang. Na sa gbagba na ya na ye de movie o.
Ona se blue man kill ani ba be sia.
Ya ba go la show.
Asemi ba be sinti.
Okay. So mama spell answer mabo. And then make a word be an animal ba with you. What to me spell a man true. Hey, all right, auntie, spelling the name SURREAL. SURREAL. Obi modamite.
Sarel.
Okay, cereal. You know, omo esa. I say yeah, yes, interest adult wo ho. It is cereal.
Cereal.
Cereal. Ain't no someone who am my can meaning the net for ain't SURREAL. Menkwana.
Okay, so it describes a bizarre or dreamlike or unreal quality where reality seems distorted or fantastical. It often refers to real life situations that are so strange, unexpected, or uncanny they feel as if they are happening in a dream.
That's it. Obinyani mu say that we should remember.
I'm not tata wound. Sorry.
Obinyani mu say that na me so strange.
Yeah.
Strange, not seeming real. You know, kind of like a dream. You know, cereal. That's the word for today. Tibu use so. Okay, so an
example be wa ba ko pebi. Or say walking through the empty city streets during the lockdown was a truly surreal experience.
I said that is should be because we nam hono obi eni ho like why di nanka say net here. Na I said that is should be. Na I said that is should be. Yeah.
Okay. So synonyms: dreamlike, unreal, weird, or illusionary. I say, like we said, I also said that is so. I say die, but the audience were woo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can say it feels surreal.
Yeah.
Maybe I should give you an assignment.
Oh, me
now she share my because me sure say TFO would like to. Who said to that?
Okay.
Only obi bibiti see. Like enkomo bi a only obi di and I say some situation be not you are feeling that the thing has already happened and is repeating itself.
Deja vu. Deja vu. That's the expression we use. Deja vu. Okay. Deja vu is French.
Yeah.
It's a mehundida. Deja vu. But we use it in English.
So
it's a deja vu.
Okay. Now I say as I deal with the same. I say I've experienced this thing before, but
I say when you panic, I say
I can't do the same place, the same.
Hey, I get your point. But
daddy.
Oh, I see a susumriase. Okay, men call susumriase.
Odi call.
So this is my belief. Yes, spirit name. Auntie, Abena Ruthy ha make us say, my spirit has lived so many times.
Yeah.
But I'm here as Abena today. If Abena, the body dies, the spirit will still live, and it can get the opportunity to come back in another
different container.
You know, the religious but it's a truth. And then reincarnation, I say, it is a spirit. So that spirit can, I say, see a call towards perfection. That is the whole idea. Into that, yes, to be woman, and I said, a bridge gap, no, between ye and Yankopon. And see a call towards perfection. Into no call or spring, and I say, yes, Sako, come on, and no, baby, but the woman, the spirit will be able to live on, and sometimes you will be spirit never kaise be beside. That's how come some of these things will happen to you. See, and I say, "Be a wasu hundaye, wasu hundaye, mpo na wonkai." And who asem no, who ye na ye will say, you know. So that's my way I believe.
And a die so crapo another realm.
Exactly.
It has its own.
Odi for the media. Odi.
Oh gosh. International.
It is Cyril is the word Surreal. Yes, Remo. Muyusu. I Yena Lexta Company Limited. That's it. Yas toothpaste and yas toothbrush. And now we'll count the last time. So what if you say now we'll not say me who?
Hey, now now buy.
And
then as I do it.
It's my fun. It's yas toothpaste and yas toothbrush. And poye says then yes says stretch ya homa. Near the concern na sister.
Anyway, okay, so and then the Enkomana me de bano. But like some people are really funny. Obi anybody someone amididi aggressive. So there's a video trending a fast sofubi awawari recently. I would say the wife and say onyanwa ribi untino or jimpatasika.
Oh,
and I say okay. So what's the issue? So Prophet Kwejo is demanding 40,000 Ghana cedis from his ex-wife. Prophetess happy. If a picture neto we ne so mama na min show mu the echo. So yes, the picture this is the clearest I've gotten on the internet. I don't know where the okay.
Omuni. Prophet Kwejo ni. Me go Facebook dey go show I Sompa106.5 FM Accra. Caps, but I can't show any so there na picture they easy.
So Prophet Kwejo says that oko ne fellow pastor be sorry like program me invite no.
Okay.
Hona okoshia ne wife now ex-wife.
Okay.
Yes. And it was through an introduction and a Oshiano. And they exchanged contacts. Then after some time, Omukasa Mudin Komoni there, and both of the papa ne or pass them eto leading and prophetess happy.
Oh, no, say a prophetess.
Aye. Or they two prophetess and even a prophetess. So okay. Odo me dia me so me do inti any. I mean, yam for domo domuna just say yonko yenim. And eventually they had a beautiful ceremony and they got married.
Okay.
But emisawa our renasia na our regina chance say eba because yes our program na se no the woman had issues efa oni ni kunu nya kasa for aduane na omoche o program na se as to the yes like who's the most there wedding and an event I say so obviously minim se bema no na ebia said ya ne che aduane ebia na busuafo e involved no so obi anya aduane ne bia ni so oba no so hono na na a free but there was a disagreement over food okay and na lady ni bufu ye enti however the ceremony ended e koso mo mu wie bibia into omba ya ani ahe say 2 weeks after we say and na is of mama so wonya nware bi no say ah unware say
maboka
and also be even proud to our no na sikasam na nsheda enkoyi sa enti omkope bosia kakra say enye de ankofo ba ware na se a ye be yi ama ye be yi ama enti ene ye nko
and I own the akwa
because soft mama ye CAC soft mama prophetess yes so kwa Christ apostolic enti se be yentimi me ya ware se be ya ware through kan bia na ade
na de obi show mu so munye intended
so they went for a loan of 30,000 say omu de omu won enso enti yenko 30,000 emeso so na yemfa incomplete bibia titisika na 300 million na odi e wo hwe ade ye enti
na butre
enom kwaje ebosia in less than 6 months wo say me nware biu
ama na boka
nware biu me say
so why na ntu aka
based on the account 2 weeks
no like 2 weeks to the wedding no and a lady ne mama ne hint but on the one fan nya asem ase no o hwe ni suban ni ni bi o fan nya asem na me say okay fine na wonim say papa ni suban bi o daddy no emwawa at least you got a little hint that you were not comfortable with. Why didn't you walk out? But you waited and a omokoji loan de koye aware no and at aware na according to sof mama no sofu pia wo mona mane wotimi kohwemu a won kan kire ne baby okọ enne oba sei wo china oba sei sofu se mi ko program wa ha no akohwemu a wotete ni nyina wo hu enti wo hwe de yakọ na nya ade asofu na ware ne beboa no enti ene wonya nware bium enti se sofu say oje 40,000 patasika ene ono oba no so ene ono so beji sika ni because emotional trauma sofu de na from sa few months of marriage no enti o mienu nyina asese anakwa
wait no kokko sa na esere aba
wait
Jesus
na sese ya sofu oje 40,000 e ka 30,000 metua e ka no metua
ebi a oji di akotua
Ojidi akotiana nka wonya 10,000
the story is so funny like who even does this who does that
and our internet
it's all over the place it's all over the place enti prophet kwajoni prophetess happy odi munkoda mkoso obi mu issue this is I don't really think this is an issue bia well I don't know be warranty it's petty for me like very petty but it seems so when so bitimi ni kunu twa so wo your warriors because e be aduane bi anase bi amike kwa guest bi aba obi ayesei
we efi na ebusuafo so krampo ebusuafo ne nkrofo bi aduabo nipa oye ceremony oye ni programming na kwabrani afa ultra picture na kwabrani afa etira be aduane na short you o madam ga bia ni bi mi answer ultra picture so obi beka asem ni kire no say yes drinks no I short you asan kofo enya bi tom cancel mama maska si massage na oye nenim we mu na nenim no na mi gina tira na mi ko we ti we nim ultra picture no di obi abeka bia me mfi no wa ye wi om pam om ntra om peso om kofi adi wa ye wi adi wa ye wi na enti sa ni amane ba obehwe nkra no discount oba ne say on former obehwe nkra oba nkra po na mo obi ko no aduane be ma ne man discuss na ya beka che na ade isi do na sa nipa ko na de number de man no enwa na o eno na de man no na
but you see
enti nema bi ho no ma like Your name might be and I can say petty. It shouldn't come close to
like Monty toothpaste there no.
But you know that those little things they can be annoying, eh?
However, okay, fine, it will be anyway. But me, dear me, say, me finito. Dear me, say, me kono. Na paste to mommy me be. Like I don't pay attention to.
When I don't pay attention, will be pay me the.
So be any the musume pay support for.
And to say, oh, I know the support saying what they want a money for.
You see, your baby on my drop it, a bed drop it or bathroom. But I think that so jaria. So she. At least now and won't tell because a place are intimate. Uso ube mansiono ako
na manye okay, so let's make some issues
and so the lesson me median say oh yeah what dear ye de ho beso especially when it comes to our relationship me pacho mo worry we are they be e kasa asemi but people are still repeating the same thing over and over again. It is not bad so obekwa kwaje bosia say oh kwa worry and I'm saying it is not bad because ebi anasika no waboa ano edru baby but aka enwuma bi kakra ubehia external help ebi a say aware nso de wona wo so pese wo ware now nti untimi nkonko ka nkyere ebi a wabusuani bi say mami sika say na me fa nko ware nti say ofe wo say obi osika ne nso na obekwa kope bosia kakra de asoso a then make sure say what yen hyehyɛ ya ana a plan a mudi betua bosia no after the ceremony ebi a why investment no ebeye due in the next 3 months in the next 6 months obesase nya returns bi ewa ha ebi a wo wife kura ye eyi bi a mo expect some returns bi ni ade like mumie no monye plan bi a mudi betua na monye plan akura nya ba ko in case I have failure when ye pese ye kwan ye befa so etua nie enti say wo yes have prudent measures no now the two hono ma you don't have any issue, you don't have any problem. But so beka say one ebusuafo na ma me pressure me pese me ye bibi na enkofo hu se me so ma ware me pese me ti manim enti no ma menye ne say ma men tre levels ma men shut at yes ma menye say those in your money dear it will not help. Because when you to sika e beba so ne ne me beba na me patro so okonya say as we ye event no ewo asori dem mu a ene bi e beba for re de amount ana say okonya ana ye no event center bi na say bia e ya for re ne e beje de amount see I see e papa e balloon ni ye che handkerchief no say atwam enti me for wani to so say the obi de beba wo me patro aduano kom no ba bedi and they will not give you anything enti ye de wo ho beso ye de wo ho beso o shanso na bia time na nyanso ya kasa prepare yourself until you are fully okay to do whatever you want to do enkofa eka bi ma meto ho so akire na ebedane problem
no baby
so my yeah so my wanya time ni ntina yentimi kasa ho so my wanya because na eka da we 30 times one betia ukoi
that's the issue who is going to pay
so I so agree
my entry na kwe
oh they no na yan I so agree with you Auntie Adwa ne papa me say like you ended with mohonso and somewhere to anamo obia nhemo say na wonko ye kululu bi we gira bia akoto oba ne yam shin kan wo say gidi kona koye ntie wo say utumi ko jilo na bibi inti de no yaka eda ho wonim say even in the music industry I have sometimes a bit be programmer de money to day na omobe ombenya o program so na dey form say rapture yenye sao in any venture obey Bible cracker why no or ye bibia on sese ansa na wa sha ase enti no se wan sese ansa wo sha ase there wetin ebe tete wo ebe how nanka we o man ko free a year and wafa I mean wo se wo nko bi o ma mo come back
at least you have your peace.
So 40,000 na ko the 30 akotua eyi na 10,000 na wo de ahwe ne afa
sisi mo nya asem enti no yentu ye hofo wonye ye se want to mean spell ya mentro asem nim na
na boba
want to mean spell ya mentro enti no wonye ready don't do it even in business ye catch startups there it is not a good thing to take a loan
for a startup.
Yeah.
As much as possible. Ube share angel investor bi. And I say, wow, ye kakra would be up to hope
savings.
Because we nim send ye beko. Into the winya kojilo ni beto who so pet. What's our minute? How a bear albatross hanging around your neck. A bet it so abrabo nina. I ain't crowd bear who be. Into no, as for loan for some of these things, wedding near there returns in him returns vein
what's the returns in him
here sister
what do you need to obey
how many weddings na wakwa genuinely wakwa koma omu bibi esombo how many
unless of course
it's a gift table ne kwa
a high a friend is saying high profile bia omo no status symbols na omo de ba
and as our circles is strong
exactly obema into nim so obenya even them omo nkoboro mbeyo omo na be yire omo de omo dey because some person prove it to omo PS and say yes ye wo ho and then the PS too would want to prove to them say yes ye wo bi ti ye kire o se ye wo but ya ka no there be o men ko free there be
a way to the wise
ebe how and again Mamenika say ohun bibi before omo koye aware no red flags na bi ni o Wuma, Mr. Men fan tapoli na enfan kata utiso. It will come back to haunt you and kasa. Ebe bite hard at you. Yeti ye hu fukonko sane hwam say. Ya chima ma say anyway, serious. We need to be
say mo ye den and you are all over the place. What kind of thing is that?
Internet. So internet so they don't forget you.
30,000.
Call another marriage. Mukura pa.
Ever reflect ever. Sign you do for you.
Who sign it?
30,000 doesn't make for yeah. My interview as well.
Anyway, sir, your brother Samir Rasta, a filmmaker, director, entertainment pundit. Was in Kebeya, yem pushy kakalika nyomono for World Cup 2026. A dope nation. I mean, he's like, it's Alpha baby. I mean, Kakalika is Kakalika. It's all over the place. It's all over the world. Intino and Kebeya yen hashtag B. Ebia Kakalika for World Cup 2026. Niem pushes our agenda no. The focus is to draw attention to Ghanaian act, as in enyom talent. It could even bring some investment opportunities. And you know, Ghana for young brought together na young pushy agenda. And I mean, we've done it for a lot of people. It might not be in music circles, but obia sem timi ba na Ghana for nyina som e bia justice for hwan obi timi fa na justice for ampampa na enya results. And you know, World Cup no so say ye bibi sa say Kakalika for World Cup 2026 because never be abefa bi obi ye say asa na kura mi husa and you know Neja, yentimi pushy dope nation so na Emfa. Hey, Ade.
Emfa, na me control. Emfa on the back of music yina ye ni puntino. Say ahodi bi wo ho a o me piapia ko baby a o mu interest wo. Let me make my point clear. So also mono say omo music awards ni be kra it's the no kra mo mind the big talk now is what happened the artist of the year no Black Sheriff obi wa hodin bia ho no de befa enye wo a waye wate wo ho na wo se me ko na age e bi omo resources bia omo bi be pia anaso omo wo fan base bia ye huge omo be ye in fact no we need I will be. Wana
kakalika.
No, they are not.
Ah, inti. Sana joke. Sanka yade anka wini award bi wo mu a. Attention bi wo ho.
Enu na me.
Enti upia ebetimi afem.
Sanka omu dwene ho se we no mpese omu ya. E se ko omu ye din no mu kohyem. Bibi a ye the strategy na ye. And unim say mafia there wo baby. Oh yeah. Industry be a mafia wo.
It's true.
Enti no say we feel say yes was so we no to operate. Another operate.
Sana mo ka plate enfa.
Oh, the plate enfa.
Am ka plate anya plate kwa plate.
And until no winim say now way ahead no. Now we working way through sa near ne muscle so no akoshe na se kakra but we want to say me you say omuna kroya na ye di Easter omukoye show bi omu venue no na yet to say so empty mungai. Oh yeah. You remember?
Was it their show?
It was their show. Dope Nation, it was their show.
Okay, because initially no, I mean, na me ka say, un say enyo omo invite artists for mombe.
Oh, they did. Oh, invite artists.
So me na me ka say ye artists for ne ba ko na edru ne so na not knowing say it was the entire event.
It was the entire event.
Okay.
It was the entire event.
Artists ba ko na edru ne so na
say like when it was time for sap because the focus was sa particular artist no. So I didn't know say like generally the entire show no kofa anko.
Oh, it was the entire show.
Yeah.
So there should be a strategy in everything awoye. Into the yen kanyom to phone kwa but bibi awoye bia there should be a strategy. Like I was saying, so when him say industry mu na me wo there are certain blocks to be a was say me to me hete honey ade na me to me make here. Wo strategy into no we ye na wait to me enya but if you say oh wonko wait to me I mean you are not shatter na waka say me to me
hey but me I tried
no, because he original ho na was sa ahoden ni push no
because that strong brand
any push no na to me on okaso onye bibi kura na just say enkanafre because no organizing the BBA you know how it will go internet strategy like I was saying menyesho sebefa already in Kofwa composing you for World Cup I feel now we now say fa kakalika nkwanko
and it's too close
what
like
I say
just as
I don't support you and biom kakalika no symbol no stand for day of course asani dey say e for more on Facebook amu hu na say enti no ebi aye kwayanim mate ase bakakalika ankasa no stand for day symbol no like then positive yi na was adi ni ho a enti no wo convince you be say dem fan kwa ye de be
good say na okay akai me unu sa
ye kwayanim
we no enye first time you ever introduce you
what did that?
Election. So it is not an ish that you are bringing out. It's not a new thing you are bringing out. It's
bound a difference, kakra.
Anything. It's not a new thing. That's to draw attention.
So musika pushy aye neoma dia and we can only wish them well. But
anyway, this was just a suggestion, say from
an individual.
The guy say, let's help them. Let's push the song as na yediano neka.
Exactly. So why ready? And your own building network be. And America no. The very fact say. The biggest thing that happens in music Ghana no a big minus because so be co-aligning with them the person would have that at the back of their mind, you know. It will take some grace for them to get what you're saying. But me who say be far anyway, we can only wish them well.
Yeah, but strategy there. So unya strategy now nya opportunity be a and strategy me film especially where Sanka no our TGMA amwe ni so as a nominee empo and away nya ko betimi a strive on
and Nancy next month 11th Nancy and a conversation so ye you Yeah. Yebeka ube yeah. Near a friend is saying Guinness Edema Black Sherry for the ama 2 guys. Ebeto to us. Who said you one is on my event, no? And I'll be being in a conversation to us on air. So why do World Cup no? If you say Saudi work on the episode the befa. We can only wish them well. Anyway, see, yeah, also had Alexa Company Limited as the producers of Yas toothpaste and the Yas toothbrush. Or say for hygienic, healthy living, always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. That open product be Accra. Ubenya, in fact, Ubenya pint. From one number is so 050-161-9588. Not Kumasi so from more 050-139-0338. Mr. Obomodi Afro Mona Jibi na ton enye sika na fe wa wo fie so fe bi twi wo se na wo se enye fe denye te se stretch ahoma ati ajani of Jeremy da wase mu yenkoto ade kakra de mbra etefo mamu nko ba bia ne no etiquette nkomo wo ho sa okay cause yan me ko na yesimento eni wo kan mu ni dokoro ni me ko na me ni wo kan me ka say last week obi busa say so you also patient no but na ka ni mu a na comedy na onye den I think Santi Adwa me no try say be answer kakra but Auntie Melissa ba na so ba ye be ma na answer sa question ntim pa cho ye try ho abasisia
Sompa FM 21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magye ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran ba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na ba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese we de na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de entie fe ne local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se ehya abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese aye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 02463599921 02463599921 and answer 05947972115 eye 05947972115 for na with them
eh medo edurano pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so nim se mede Yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka sentina ye bokoi na medie me all time favorite Yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia me selfimfem me biem na wonhwa se mesi ayefita asesrecha homa na et brightens Yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and the medi twimese entina wo se afei na Yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham oh yes enu krotrodo Yas herbal Yas whitening and Yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush abuzian chamfa se wo pedudu tu e won kran ha for Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050-161-9588
Leicester Ghana Limited and the Yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abedwa so abeboye
tontonte yanum sane afadwen
ne afadwen ampa say na nim say brebi beba ama tontina 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduru
tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene asina nanom dodo so say de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no
emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den
tontina 74 yinso yaye ne sensuo kokrowa kama enti baabi a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ
samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74
samennom tontina 74 menya hodin mennom ne dabia
T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ne apomuden ko a
woko pharmacy ana baabi eto nwo bia ubenya tontina 74 yi biato
T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu
eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi etwedi nkratwe atum.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwampo.
Onyakupondi for Wastrano Eweye Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyakupo Yahon what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Our Homaye, a new TV program keke. Ebra Australia Sasishia. Set
your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Mason First Service in Chow Home Hoda, a Yagrada Kusi if Yadanopa, Anopano Nunkusi Anopanunsia. Fawudanina share radins, na erade beye.
Nyamia ya wade ohini biara ni hwakana ho ya hwema ye hubio ye nyame ne Sompa Yeah, TSC tickets corner. Hey, tum say yo. Pretty woman. Auntie Etienne for Auntie Melissa Ajineja. Hey, now I see a no etiquettes no. Or the year film say yeah travel etiquette. The third one ni. Then no Mrs. Na year call World Cup now. A New Day Supporters Union. Omo person munya nti o see to me church flight mu de nyina o. Ai.
Eba papa.
Enti ye ma wakwa ba. Uni me do for beat ye ma membo ni di na owo Women's Ministry, the Makers House Chapel International. Na si o ti enti na me chia.
Na ye ye chia free. Sompa.
Chiki, we are way. Chiki, we are way. Oh, baptism. And no, no, ninti pa chome wa kwaba.
Mejo so.
Nyamia do. Edera dias. Na is only school stuff for almost
ho pa boy adwuma den.
Hey, and our girls for.
Girls. Abby's girls. La Paz.
Mo yere mo ho.
Omo boy adwuma den pa.
Edera dias. Why idea?
Me suffer Prophet Emmanuel Perry Apple. Nene Hukini, Mrs. Priscilla Apple, Mother Prevailing Ministry, Sano. Michio Mopa, and Sansu Chia, me am a twin sister.
Anne, Mommy,
Mama Esther Abiqui. Me money a belated Mother's Day, so it's been wishing last week.
And now from Sompa.
Aye.
And
why you drew? And why you drew?
Happy belated Mother's Day.
Amen. And I'm Michelle with your phone, yeah. And Kaka, one day, and I friend say,
just one day,
and need do the do. Me to me we feel modra me chi omo pa baby omo bia me pese mebo
yeah ne tofa
na ye wo sila ye wo travel etiquette so na ye ka say ye suban bia ye da ne dia bra yakọ afoforo ama so anase yakọ baby strahwe anye yan usual environment and ye ka say you take into consideration ye didi your entire shame yen kasaye impose ye ni ye bia ye na ye ba importance ade nti no bi so sua travel etiquette abra o to kwan ye ka say be create positive impression we nya kwanya nkasa oni ye ebe cheche wase and yes, avoid unnecessary problems and our trouble. Send me huyanka. So na ke chinti. Yesuya we sena yebe ye hu efri and social beam.
That's right.
And I can say preserve destinations. Baby ye kono. Bo ohun ban. Bo hun ban akosi wildlife mpo mwa hu ehun ban. And I can say a show respect for culture. The any point so undi untari shame the any point so share any point so share.
That's right.
We show respect Emma afufro a culture. Na ye can say my easy interactions.
Okay.
Uda says to be dear. Easy so be open up to you. Anyone a bon common.
That's right.
Na can say reflecting on you and where you are coming from in a sense ye show de but informally what be representative of your home country.
That's right.
Into won't say ye because so and crime for de na ye group on mo prekope na dia kasem.
That's right.
I before de na ye group on mo na dia kasem. A preventive misunderstanding. A promoting safety. And ensure professionalism.
Okay.
And a boy my self development. Not just a thing be a you are open to new knowledge mechanism. Hey. And I do's and don'ts.
Okay.
You can say call bus stop now for car.
aya yes men fa bag nsi
extra
ekonya eben wo no because munia mu strangers men kanesa and show be enya akukudru no embe bisa o se pacho obi ti ha na metimi atena ha nesa wa occupy seat no na ye ka se pacho mudru amunchia nchia no wedu bus stop chia utina ka mu achia na ye course say utina se e wo ka mu pacho aya yen kan yen sere embum because ebi wo ha na ne ye odin nti wo de energy atu obi foforo so enu twemu kra yare nti na bia de wo hye no ankata ona hunia jeni musom ko kan mu ehye mu tin fifire odo honam akaka obi de a transfer yare bi nti if possible ye ni ayen try say ye de ensre ebebom ena throwing rubbish say ye tumra egu ebi wo ha o say o kan na kwenti mehu bush bi wo ha ti me to afa window no mu akwa na se kan na mitim no me jatu wo ye obi foforo be ye be wie no na kwaye dam site ti pacho ni ne de yare enanam ti pacho ya avoid it na phone calls me favorite ni phone calls ye receive wo kan mu ye keka yensem e wo kan ye nya caller asumesi me wo come pacho mami 30 minutes we see a mefro my aya enka yen scan no ho sena ye ma maintenance scar ebia maintenance so nyin sisa emfa ntokwa emba obi o me say enkaka 20% ne 10% 50% or say me fani de bia ye ngisa we say yes ana ye je ohun ba wo nketwa wo ha wo de ma mate na wo de say mate kra agree with you wo de ama no enkan ni ye we chi asem o pe won kasa men kashe ye din wo kan ina ye kan say we should pay on time obi wa ye be ka say o e chi ofo mu ye ne ba ko no ya ye ne ba ko wi afin na wo be call bag mu na wasa eyiska de o jiska na ko enim no wo ha no cause o tin ko ne chi e ba nti pacho yen hye no so say ye be etua on time na this week there no reclining of seats unso bi wo ha otna sia
no wo de yera ne wo de ba ne
and de na medru so no obi wo ho a otna sia wa bre wo gigi adem ebia no de otu echi nso ni kotodwe u prano daddy o nti yesremu so yetna sia ye pekra yetna enkaka omomo baby ye foldi enfin honom yetna sia wo the first thing yen hwe say how far does the seat recline say ohwa na ko
seat na be ko na chi sen kwan wa chi
na chi
ebetumi ebu akọ
how far now pachan nti say wo gigi adema hwe ba men fa wo hunia ento so na say we bia wa drink crane so no be catch us say anti pacho ko wenim kakra ma wo bu mfu because e bia no obrampa nti pacho yen hwe so say yetan kan ma yen gigi enda ekonyanim and also sleeping in the car obi timi da obi shoulder so
na manikum ne
na sebio mu fan sem mu se sanda na do sanda no enche but baby
your friend power now
me say brofo no baby etimi do wo both hunhum no hunam anim no oda pass kra onya sa ede no obi timi da no de niti ato obi shoulder so na sebio so obi didi amfa ncheme anunsu yi
yetumi ba
erade ne chese enana ede like we could didwa wa bre what na kam ewia na bo wa what na kam unya pure tabako mienu bogu oboso no enkan ne yenkonko a pacho wo da un se me can say you can't cheat nature sana ye canon.
So what bra
Pacho aya memfa uti ento usit na wo wenim no.
Okay.
Ubetimi relax ya fa uti eto wechi.
Okay.
Because osha obia odi me hu se na menka no ochi mu.
Uti ko enim na na chi wo ho.
Aha, inti dia owo wenim no. Ono so mfa ne ti nto he. Then again say enye foldable seat na or relax ya. Him fa no mfa ne ti ne ento. Because eno ni ye ne chi.
Because what the uti aba
ne
chi.
Aha. Ebepem wo. Inti mpacho because yamfa say back seat honum and ordinary to ya. Onu kra weja back seat no.
Yeah.
But ka wo de uti etwe etwe honum a. Nko obi foforo so betimi de ne ti atwe ono so na die so. Aha. Obi a wo bi.
Okay.
Obi a wo etwe na back menka ne say back no.
Aha. Back no. Enti some point we yenka ne biom because e foforo no enti nia wo kan say say metina ka mu na mpese me da. Me fa mechi entering makonwa no.
Wa wakonya no.
Aha. Na me da ma me fa me ento
do wo wenim no. Wo say na ye de ensa atoke ho. E na wo tena se so apacho wo ma mutina kan ma eye bre ebi a end of day wo kofi. Aya ma yen fa yensa ento seat no ekon
ho. Sebi ankofo te munya mote line
say ya
obi de wonsa na ye bi moto enim nya na chese
de enna na mpese meka no oh no be action nsana sebio heat end of day no debi fa wonsa eka bon ho fa wonsa ento na nensa wo seat no so na frama so ebo fakanim yesremo be possible amun kamunsa ento mu ho
hey etike
ena won say ebi wo ha we kodidwa what na kam mate ne say o so the two boots a minim sa law ne de ba mutaye o so o the two boots ma ubetua 2 cedi extra o so mpese obetua nti na wa come ninia at in between our legs
e wo form
aha wo nti nesa no ntimi nka o so no embom obi sikra edile oni akono afi no obebo atra wambo antra ye a we pro oni akono nti pacho boot wo ho a yemfa nko boot okay umon say ono no pese ofili free no kra nto o de be hye ono ni seat ase ena wa wo pese wo tiru name wo na chi no untimi tiru name
especially a long journey na how na pese me disi me so e bia na enye eyi load a me di akọ boot into the main fence me
wo de o si so a e okay
okay
eno no one na wo feel pain one na wo handle wo niema say bia yemfa say cake bia wo pese wo transport ko baby a esu so e okay but say wo di besi a ni mu ana say wo konya ase a say no obi fufuro ehun enton no de
okay
pacho aya yemfa nko boots say yes can so cry ye mate mfo no ye ne omo kasa ombeti ebia aha ye timi to seat ebia o say meji 10 cedi o so mate pacho e wa hombra se kasem because wo de hia no no so de be hia nti ebia mate pacho miska ye say we de mesel ma shorty pacho efe no bia ena ede ena onyema kakre ena ubeje 2 cedi mintua so wo fro ne car iti pacho yen hye so yen ni omo kasade omo ye mema omo ye ahemfo ye hwehwe ohene no woni mu a ye betimi adefe ne kakra na waye de ye pe amaye nti pacho yen hye so na load na ye pese ye smart na ye de si yenim ye de si form ho bi si ade obotra ye de si seat na se obi oti ye chi no ntimi ntine ne nemu yesrem ye njai Ena say last time so make away. Yeah, yet some window side no.
Yeah.
Na from money I feel say better also am I in the door. I am in some window side.
Okay.
Because was say you create ventilation. Proper one. Can because enclosed area. Obi atete ben nyonko. Say ya we be ba. Easy so ofofro be peke. But at least say inframa boa faka ni ma. Boa. Inti pasho unim say ebi ano uni akoni pese oda o. Na wa two window num kakra say no betimi di niti ato glass na so yesremo. Window na ya yembie na mframa embem. De ebiom on say obi wo ha obeka so me pese mesi wenim ha ya nti wo de wa chia no ho o si rem.
Yeah.
Patrol aya baby obesi bia mate no ana driver no obegina ma sa inti patrol ment na anu no so obi ensin enko rem.
Okay.
Because wo ye ne sa no again dade na ye di edwuma even though I cushion wo mu de enso ebi wo kra na atete yembo mode aseye yen tena anu chia yen ho so obi enkohwem ye no obi un say at times bibi correct me too eti wa o say minim ne ye mi o ebi ana efri ho no
e na
wontuma wo ko bebi obetete mama obit no tetre na ati afem bebi a wo ko eso ebi ana wontimi nsan wechi o ebi ana interview bia ehu hia o ebi ana wo ko jiska wo bebi kra saska na eso nwubo wo kwa oni akono wetu ne ka
na oni ma make sense me sa entity ade no bebi e beti wo no sometimes wo hu sometimes wo see now wo no be asphalt say and we will say trasha nati
but ebi wo cars na clean o into who say trasha we be feel so the fifie kra na buy into mesra mo
into no obi sa no into so betumi agina form em say last time ka okay so betumi agina form a chain
unim say wontimi court na insider pacho de gina don na no ne omo fele seat ne nko enim kakra no mo fili seat no ko enim kakra na waba abetena se
okay
men ye say mesi wenim he yent wo de ko rem there be mesi
inconvenience
because dade nsuo egu so mewia boso ya wie obi o ko hospital abetinum pain obowa me hu trotro ya disinfecting no properly da ebia ye the UV light bia fem wo hu udi fem kra asa wo ko no ebe san collect ti me pa macho say yem fa yare emma afoforo nti tetanus na niema ewo ho nti pacho ubesi weni ma wo de si fom na yem fele obi su si a pacho wo de si fom na afoforo ensi
won sign court na card ma card nintu
enchia wo hu ebiom menchia wo hu sister course ne eyibra kodwa mot debi so kabia course be wo kabia so kojo be wo ti pacho monhwe na yenhwe nso emmayen
ye mehwe nso
ena sasewe what's na come ebiana obi aye frustrated asem bi da na koma so na chichi na ope obi ne na bonkomo pacho enye ho na mind be ni ena obi a oto nsuo kra yesise ye to pure tam ena oman na sister can you imagine no hwehwe
obi ne na bonkomo
wo kan pacho
me yenyesa
na ena dano kra me say no wakofa archive diaba say chinchina so woka ebia no nuakono so she's no in the mood ebia no so obi anene ha o so say wo pesa oni obi bonkoma o nuakono so bie ne de chewa ansha obesi efikan nti na enclose na exchange of breath yi na sabi ontefie bi kokoko so pacho otina kama eni obi ambonkomo
na me ne madam for net na mo
oni wadam for na moye mo ho moye tiaso moye mo ho ko na se wonni mu nuakono na wo pese wo ebia wo pour out of frustration bia ebia economy ne wonni enni ne yedie so wo so obi wo ho feel say wo ye Ghana ni no ube
sympathize empathize
ube understanding the pain then then na doom so yi or the example na you do me light na or your campaign den na buy a tray mu na or expecting say also the one who be betum na I conversation pacho unnim baby obi a free ba into Mr. Mo Ude uchia ya na yin jina
okay.
We shouldn't go on with yen
okay.
Then we shouldn't be rude. And sister Patroje neto usio mama edien. Oh, ebi ano onusu baby ofiba no. O de bufo na bet na kan. Yen try as much as possible. There a importance no positive impression ebi ano no woni monua kono ebi an kra no onu kra ne cow but
and na can
either say and also ebi okwa akra o say me ndi traffic mu on peso beti a break so sai akodu nti ene ma me fa trotro nti unhu onua ko na wa ma no wobu no fo ana me kan wa jage no say asumesi die ebia onyo obia bampacho wonni mu nuakono we shouldn't be rude in class or say ya dia polite way no pachona also why amano then yebeko ewiem international member one a points per hon yedru plane mu say international travel and I said domestic flight Caribbean yet not plane mu say ye kono patrol and yet time for say ye take selfie na ye channel they are sending so meeting a plane mu may create memories but rather a time for you to sanitize area
okay
because only planes no almost turn around time no here how fast they can board nisanium hardly some be disinfecting baby woni ye and a baby obetena ni ye afufro ewo aman so na oni o be share ewe yen trotro na waka say mu wo Ghana he ya na ana Accra he ya na mu afufro na yare ewo obi man so no easy so obe transfer bro
okay
to patrol na wo slide tray no ubie so a so wo wipes and I said you can say disinfectants bia now they are fufa so kama
okay
wo seat belt now they are fufa so cause ho na wo besom wo armrest now they are fufa so kama ebiom
they be men content nya now because a new point
yes because also and time now ubeko plane neat to your eyes no very very neat but so muko into details no unya we into we dey fan say o man clinic cry and now say covid time no you can say do obi airport or say jo uko screening bia sense because easy for say obi a carry ya free ni chrome e dey abrew.
The reason this point is very important to me, see, as someone you say hunter virus,
yeah.
And no people me to say, yes, if you are France, we call lockdown.
Oh,
and you know, see a year alert.
Yeah.
And you say, "Ooh, full plane now." It was a sign she changed.
Yes.
But was at this point.
Into Mr. Yet not plane more. Sana make an ya selfie asem. You making sure say ye be wo on say me person me bo brand bia di
wet wipes.
Wipes but yen wet wipes bia keke e bi wo ho a carry alcohol based
okay.
Nti eno no tray so a obedidi wo plane mu wo de be for so kama
okay
armrest so wo de be for so empo wo seat belt no wo de fa enkan no for so just to do away so when to mean cleaning no ni nia kakra mpo a ekɔ no enough
okay that's a very good point
nti pacho yen hye so emma yen ena ebia yatna plane pacho enchia no bio enchia ne de meka ne 100 yen chia de oben yen yenim no de na yen kai say non verbal communication yen kasa yen bi ya no but yen ni bi English good morning good afternoon good evening general language be obi understanding until so only akono say French cry with the good morning e there but modia say obeka amayen then yet not playing more again enye selfie never ba be nyamba so yen mama mo makola ana say edwa kese ya ewo ho no minimum so makọ China ni Turkey omodi da but plain bia ni se na yeye no pacho once I would snap plain mu fashion team say o memorize baby a window wo o memorize baby a exit emergency exit wo men ka say oh me dey more travel experience and I say me koda nti me okay sebio unse I think week last week and a weekend eba news no say say na obi esi from plane and engine no etwi onuakono ekomu etwi onuakono ko engine mu oha na smoke eba efele aircraft na se un memorize ebia mekata meni me de mensaka 1 2 3 10 seats na me try me writer me hu emergency seat exit no ho one memorize this hardware smoke eba aircraft ma brakra mo landed no amuntu ye kra no wo be de hu baby a obefa nti patrol first thing yenya tena say a ye cleaning yen space area no next thing we should memorize our window seats our windows no ebia me sorry me de mensafa 3 seats where me kwato window no me sorry me to me 9 1 2 abia wakata we ni o me to me 9 1 2 3 me hu exit no okay so wo ye nende na wo return ya san ye biom okay because esun plane bia ne se na ye no esun ne kase esun baby a ne exit ewo emergency exit ewo nti patrol yen hye sad way so I think 2005 for mu memorize it was in Mexico I stand to be corrected pina mu memorize it routine omu fa omu hu die sa plane so a caught fire ejato oi chi yo be ba chi na ma ejato mu ama omo ye smart on side no omo fa mu ti ADD inti passion yes Shannon so I'll repeat it again abra yatna plane mu we should memorize our exit routes baby ye fa ye be pie we dey o sorry ye say wo kọ washroom ye washroom ye biom o sorry say wo kọ washroom a found sakika seat no okay abra mekoi me ben right kakra me dem saka 1 2 3 a me hu say exit bi wo hanum say na wa hye so say na emergency bi ba we hu baby a obetimi afa.
All right mama be phone lines net here for rana questions kakra mo because you plane dey was say to me edomusko and to me patriot here for betimi a join here on 0260 19 60 64 and then my bonnie say I apam na your bonnie sa me tie param say hey next time my bonnie sa and 0260 19 60 64 and 0260 1960 65 patrol bra na bisa question na madam etiquette wa ha okay offer for the line so Hello. Hello. Oh, went to me and Naso. Went to me and Naso.
Pacho, mami fa we fam ubi sa question we say color be free.
Yeah, also obi try on your Facebook page and so. Last week after I buy and say when ya also na say okotena card him na say time no ewa onye den o si mani ndi wo ka mu ti onye den.
Nti un say bi wo ha say eba extreme na untimi and living on liquids as at that time pacho fruits.
Okay.
Eninka.
Okay.
Okay. Ebi awufa watermelon bia ana anka bia anka so de ni di wabonten ye so de watermelon ana pineapple bia wo ma slicing kakra ma wa utimi fane aha na we dwudwam kakra enye se wo di ame o kakra betima sustain wo edu wo destination aha pacho aya yen ne sa emayen
mate enti koso afrefo ne ba be fo wo
and I won't say we drew wo see so nibia one anti abre wa call a arrive at a departure hall and nam ho bedru plane ma mostly aya ye mpaboa.
Okay, me pacho my emfa kola ina. Hello.
Sompa.
Hey, delight. Ya mo kwa ba.
Ni ansabna. Pacho mo tete.
Nyame adum pacho oso
Timo ya pa.
Edera jasi.
Ya pa ma abna mtakuti tema.
Ai anti abna me hu.
Ya to. Ya to mbitani se. Toto mu. So buti takola ba ko mu. Ya dia be food problem. Ebia wan ya man kola mu. Afena mo mu chemu. Afena obia wo ko ko na bi nya wa bi so so buti takola na pe. Na ji ta o dia kola by force. Ube du na wa bia we techa wo na mu na poto. One thing is true na ko ti say dia wo mpeni pa.
Good question. Into the obe answer. Me da say have that. Oh, but my info we nka ho na wa Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, that was you.
Yes, we da say wuti na wa frɛ.
I'm a penny for car.
Okay.
Fighting by man. I'm just no bet too. Think bonny. No, they can't make what I saw. But no, we okay, no, we can't. I was saying, a one. One woman, this must be rich. If I saw a colada to be, since I can ban Chom and the Queen, then what, mammy? I say, quite nicky. And some money on who too, some money finance, suffering. In fact, if I am many or not, next time, one talker, a 2 coins. No, for that, they will be for the incanibody. In fact, what can say? Or no, for can then for cars, not like if you have to you can get it the and show you wrong with the food. If you will need to one or ban say, or ban or in social. The man is
Enti niana wo kan o si obi kura nkora e na wo pesa wo je no wo je ba ko wa chire 17 year.
Yeah.
Okay. E na nia ono no te ho na nko betumi age no ono no chese on te ase ese wo koye sa papa no enye sa.
O ti kwan ni wo.
O kwan ni ho. Okay.
Okay. Nko chi no na me nya kwan so akole ni nyina no ni do. O ti kwan ni wo. Na me next time no ti kwan a on fa ne car. Oh my God, what?
And I just say, "Beya kasa."
To join.
Okay. Martin,
the Martin in church.
Joe, yes, that's so afraid. Obey answer. Hey, mammy, fat third one enough. Yem fat. Hello,
Auntie Abraham. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yemo akwa Sompa. Delights.
Yo, Sompa.
Hey.
Sabra Nyakubo Chapa, Unya Papa,
just one day. Auntie Melissa Mao, shout out. It was an hour.
Medana to pass about shout out. We say program.
And your question now, one and answer contribution. Tell now for all answer 3 questions. They might
but to me, there is a contribution, a make a contribution. And then I all chat about the care Mutrano. In fact, you move you on no mind, or no man, if you be on the Nema Okitanema is Picamo. Instead of ABR or Bema with the actual boot, me and me all Ocean now, because what it's behind that. Me now that. Because the only court needs to see, na me say Nema no Kitano court.
Oh,
yeah, that day.
Kose.
It's me, you know, I didn't charm it.
Kose.
If you shall near maybe a deal, one near maybe a big proof, yeah, young Momotina, young family, as I said, Auntie Neck or the young family in Viano, the young patch or the oh, I did wait, said I made no, near maybe a bit like Yasha boot in the but sometimes you can't say the Anna made to say, Anna made to wait it to away, I didn't cry, I make conton in it. Yes, and I made no, show me before because made no so no in the office, no, you need to man. It was a little grass, yes, it to make sense that they are young proud. I know you will be sick, living so a honoma. A short, it's the young dear who bet last was so. It is a you won't see to be sana. I was say your shirt and I veteran upright. Then they are. Yeah, you worry about when I was, you know, and no, the Boapa. And I met so they be a hotel. It is sometimes they be now who mate, no, maybe a watch row, maybe a 1 CDB and maybe a family to make contact about because it is this year. I may call Accra. Maybe no be 1 CDB, mate the Yako, Independence Square, yes, and Danny Chico, Mokola back.
Almost a petrol.
Hotel funny hookra, hotel on funny, and I mean one say hotel or Gino Comaji a double. But Nipano class will be Osu, say stop, where it cut the honor, will be too. Yenya, part the double.
Wow.
Drive the yes, and it is or a bottom chair will be I no. And sometimes the Shana Abia, Sikabina Abia, Oceana once the Dia now, all the mates no Panocata. They will meet Mr. Auntie Kakra, but oh, yeah, we are no Mozoma. I post up no Mozomo because I know who is in the office no. It's necessary. The track came at the efficacy. A idea boy, and idea you can near my young fan and Hanko for being near my be in so or no money seen so a view of form. It don't feel comfortable. Oh, it's only a restaurant. Now you know, Ocean, Ocotonia, my a year degree, but more dinner, take the Kabi Kakra, and a bear with me, that mammy, and a bear on ya. Or town channel or not to feel comfortable.
Yeah.
It made me suggestion Kakra, meet me.
Why Auntie Melissa, answer questions no. So now I say a bomb first one no a mapna or sister Ukra Kora obey anything. And na second one no so coca Kora say no quack bobi no or before so tehono. One penny into the air has any balance too, no?
In cry, didn't they? A sensitive kakra.
Yeah.
It be na no more air corner. This can so no cray. But a bear didn't say, mates nimbe bed dedicated 1 full seat, say, it be unqualani ni aunt naso. Eddie, a sensitive kakra.
I think my chairman drink it to a be. Whilst we prepare, expect in Nabano. I think say interpersonal relationship now, ya can't share, say, a beer, a hanon never working.
Yeah.
I mean, say, what now, who crown Corana, who corner, we him say, sono. Also, will prepare, say, ube bro, wasi, na se mwebi wo when ya nina, casade, and on what can be breed, casadena, nebe, wouldn't like assembly would tribune him say. Miniska me dey call you saying no Unhie sika to learn how to be humble.
Yeah.
W. Ye wona maybe wo ho a worthwhile chin sika. And today I was advising some people on that to say being polite, being kind, and all sika.
Yeah.
Then also goes a long way to help you in so many things. In this situation, no, uraka nim na onim se ubehia mo no. E wasa wo ye extra nice. And on ebe ko bi akoma. Then nia ono no wa hihya ne ho friendship crow feel say on to me. Yes being kind and I say showing love no. And any language sebi ebusuan for monima obi anani afira kra otiase. Aha, into the once to me put you in that light no. Obi be welcoming. And you be an willing to Udia my West advice.
So maybe some my fruit tro da. Papa bi airboa abai we bi because I'm saying ne wofa se no kofan wo baby. I don't know the story but na wofa see it's na abai one na so na wo hwe wofa se na oye eyi ni mu edu kakra. Na papa isi o ma memboa na me fan into me na so na so ho he ha o omusi ya papa na tare mu afo
akra na Jones
wa Jones so simple into one into won't mean ka so chinchina yen form
oh yes
chinchina so a my yen form
nti never boa ho ara
asemo into what ye ni pay day aya yemwa ye ho ebia ye hu se mami bi kra nkwala mienu miensa ebia obetimi ageba ko atena wo so ana se wo mane me nka se wo mane bro so ba obetimi etua amommo a aha ye fa ne se ye kwa sorry a ye to offering ye so ye offering a ye beto ewo kan mu eno no
it will go a long way
ebe wie kra na nyame hwa wo bi abem
yes
na sa nyame hwa say endu so kra wo baby eso na ebe ye adwuma wo we never know nti yen nipa enough
second person no na seven no I mean I still want us to hit there Onono was willing to help but no be one a role ni so a o feel say pene omu be chire omu
won say
that's obi an hwini mu bon no nti ono no sa no
won say nkwala se a omu ye eniema bebre handful men kaneta won say akwala so oni metina hodin cause ye boa me na medru baby ameko ebia na touching bi abem insake kan bi abem
omu nyini toddlers
no otina so cement na say ebi abo na kan mu kai wo kem ba ko na wo ho yiraw won say akola bi timi kem na o skin crave wo body ho akọ
kai imagine
like bibi yo aha inti say with that experience no ebia na onu akono so o de na eba no ebia na wa fa bim o so bi o sifa ka o kofa foforo ebia na wa experience bi deda a wa betina new can na o so ko gina
na aye
wa kai ni bibi
see okay what is coming to mind is ye to ye ho fu nya accommodating
that is it
aha
because and then na to obi o
exactly wunnim be bi pa be sa ko hia ni pa no wo
you know bia nam say me ka so bia timi park ne car for trotro
exactly
ebia na ye won next CEO bi
exactly
ebia uhia goods bi ono na oye supplier unim
nti yemmo aboa ye ho nti say sister ya ope so obeboa na obi no woni row so on pe so obeboa ni say no na yi na komam so obeye ni nyina ye kasade ni nyina ya abotire se na wa kire na etiquette no bridi saade no we mu ma ye nya abotre se wudi etiquette chipa wo benya abotre wo nkasa gidigidi tentem nti no bibisa no yemmo ye ho ene ne ye kan ye kofa trotro nyina ye nyina ye mfentu ye ho fo se wo kom a aye se community bi a wo kom community atako se asha ho community bi a wo kom no you should know for a short time nti e ho no be the best you can be
Yeah.
You never know.
Papa ya na oka say ekwan ni mi. Ebia enya wo na beto a. Oyiri
exactly.
Oyiri no ma eko baby a. Ebia wo sister bi ne ma ko baby o mo so mo bepese obi bebo mo. Obi ne na enya wo ne brother na ne kunu a wo ho. Eye obi foforo.
Nti na baba ka say yenye ye hu be your brother's keeper. So wouldn't say me two men na hu say me time also. Aye. Oh. And come on, nti ba me final words na there sorry so na.
Nti pacho we me de kai im de best ma me final words pacho say ye froka na obi hia mo a menka akwala kra na bibia. Obi ehia mo a ye fa nhye yenchim say ye nim onuakoi. My entreaty on your corner bad.
But
say, and yes, campo no, you couldn't bet me the idea that yasia. Nay, if in the num noka insurance and be craggy and swear. Ye who say a beco itch is also no be a mayan no me some swa. A be jumanti, ye the tune Emma wa. Say ye insura, say ye no me. Dear hina at the end of the day. Obepe.
Ebeba fa so amount.
Ti pacho yen fan say nchim sa.
Medase. I mean, you beto aso next week. Nyame onsha opa nti Melissa. Yeda say you solid school so for a release you buy. Ani me team. Enti me dami producer say I odi for Jeremiah ba ko pe me da wa say me da nti adwo ase. Also me for international gani di ne umpacho odi for Jeremiah international me da na say me da nti adwo ase so be fair mu be konkonsa hwehwehwam na me da St. Augustine ase so de to internet so ai uko Facebook uko YouTube ubenya ni ayeye nyina wo ho na fe minda Lady Joanne ase sisi a double as DJ chai DJ papa meda ase that DJ Rich Bitwise meda ase ai minda anti akosi ago abwaje ase phew madam me chiao eni abodin wa hasa enti for me sorry so na me sorry su ya oh Sompa for God and country Eba Professor Abuchi wa ye krado me pa cho che no
yes na na kan ese enya papa boti na me bayo ne mama boni po
Emra me pa cho bra na me hwa de wo bagi
bra aden ena so biem
time heba me hye ya me kan se yi ba akun ani wayi mi ensen
bra sanya time heba me hya esi agimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen
we de udi se ofani nyina
time heba me hya me ka se me di wa dance ya heaven ena de me kwa akopie enti se malaria we draw ne time heba mixture
enye enunku o de nanum ato a wontimi ani die no time heba mixture duro no ena ye ma oba a wafa afuro de wo ma akoda nofo ene akoda woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi se obeto aduro yi bi anuma hwe se wako hospital anase lab ame yehu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa se o time heba mixture enu dudu atu a fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House ana ba akoso wo atonsu Monaco Junction
eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop dodo na em
Fre 0244 417669
Kayo set time no TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu betu akọ
FDA agi adwade nkratoa yi atu
Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic Ghana ha di obi enim sesa ye prostate na ba bi omutimi ye screening ema hu